C4, the new generation super high-speed, full automatically overlock machine. Jack special service gym. New visual. Voice navigation. One shaft drive, one key to reset, making users experience C4's technology and speed. By integrated multiple lines, only one step, easy to start.
Welcome to use Jack sewing machine. Wish you a happy work.
The first voice navigation function. Any fault and press the voice key to get a professional solution guide. Solved a lot of using troubles caused by small errors.
Presser foot protection on. Please check if the presser foot back to the correct position. If can't solve and need to use, please enter the parameter 57. Change the value number 1 to number 0. If all the above problem can't be solved, please contact the local agent.
New anti-blind system. Quickly identify ambient light and fabric transmittance. Intelligent adjust sensor adapt range. Make the machine run freely in the variety of conditions. Achieve the best running state.
Automatic fabric recognition mode. Please keep clean of the sensor or no any covering. Please insert a fabric. Fabric recognition, OK.
Accept the details of the innovation. Efficiency is another important factor to connect the user satisfaction. Use Jack's exclusive patent one shaft driving as the core. Only 140 milliseconds to speed up. Break the highest speed, 7,000 speed to bring the perfect enjoyment of science and technology. Through lean production, drop the unnecessary action of pulling back thread to cut. Directly improve the efficiency of 37% to 100%. Achieve a more fun and comfortable work. By adding voice reminder for buttons, workers can quickly master button to have a real-time adjustment.
中文
English,
pusta,
Arabic, Turkish, Portuguese, Spanish, Indonesian, Vietnamese.
Quickly switch to all-intelligent mode, semi-intelligent mode, and all-computerized mode. According to the sewing material and position, choose the best mode.
Automatic mode. Semi-automatic mode. Manual mode.
Newly increased function of one key to reset. Freely back to self-imposed parameters of factory parameters. Make the machine more humanized.
Reset.
We not only pay attention to the usability of the machine, but also pay attention to make a wide range of production cost savings for garments factory. Accurate computerized automatic trimming function. Reduce operator's error trimming rate. Increase the usage rate of thread. All-inclusive oil return needle bar. Moldable special protections for the teeth to achieve no oil clean sewing. Effectively reduce the rework caused by oil stains. Create unlimited benefits for customers. Express Jack's technology experience for you.